What's up? It's reality, y'all. How y'all doing? So, y'all, like, if you are new to my channel, let me go ahead and get this over with. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below to become a true baby. Because in this game, we don't do no lies.
I don't know. No. I don't know what this feeling is, but this is something special. I don't know where we headed now. Heroes don't have to win.
So, y'all, I'm just so excited because I ordered some makeup. And as you can tell down below, this is really just an unboxing video. I had ordered from the Crayon case. And, y'all, it finally came in. And I just wanted to unbox and show y'all what, you know, what I purchased or whatever. But I'm going to do another video probably tomorrow on how I'm going to do a full face. And I'm going to use these products. Of course, you'll see what I ordered, but I didn't order any foundation from them. I'm very, very picky with the foundation because, one, it's hard to, kind of order foundation online. So, I'm going to use my foundation, but the stuff that I did order, I'm going to use it. So, I'm so excited. So, be on the lookout for that video. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So, y'all, I've ordered, So yeah, I went to Miami. I want to say, when was it? August 5th. I want to say 5th. I'll put the correct date somewhere. But I went to Miami August 5th, and so I ordered this makeup June 24th. It said it took about like 7 days. Said 5 to 7 days. That's the shipping. And it'll come in. Y'all, I just received this yesterday. Today is August 20th. So I received it August 19th. Whatever. We're just gonna let it be. They said it was like on back order or something, but we're just gonna let it be. I'm gonna just leave it alone. But right now, because at first I was irritated. I was really upset because I wanted it to be here before I went out of town. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm so excited. I better be excited after that. I like the little packaging that's going on. Okay, let's open it. They checked everything off. Okay, this is actually bigger than I thought. Here's the highlighter. It's called the Crayon Case Honor Roll Highlighter. The box is bigger than I thought. I thought it was, normally highlighters are, really small. Well, not really small, but small. But let's open this up. I'm really liking this. I love the theme. I love everything. I love the packaging. The packaging is perfect. Whoever came up with the idea is like brilliant. So I can say that. Okay, so let's open it. Y'all, okay, the ring light is like really distracting, but y'all, this is beautiful. Let's open and test it out on my arm. I don't even want to mess it up. You know when something's so pretty and neat, you don't want to mess it up. That's literally how I'm feeling right now. Let's see. It's right there. Then we'll just test it out right here. For a highlighter, that is pretty. Like, and it goes well with my skin tone. Yeah. So this is pretty. Okay, next thing that I ordered was the contortion notebook. It looks so pretty. It's like a little notebook. I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger than this, but that's fine. But look at this, y'all. This is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, like I'm just so excited. It says 8 shades for every skin tone, period. Yeah, I thought this was gonna be way bigger than this, but like I said, it's cool. Look at this. And it shows you, like, for those who like need help, it shows you how to do it. And then this is like, oh my god, y'all, that's cute. I like this. This is like really cute. I cannot wait to, oh, this cute. It's like the little thingy. I can't wait to use this stuff. Okay, now this is what I really been waiting for. I love eyeshadow. Like, I feel like eyeshadow is like the best thing when it comes to makeup. I think it's just because you can be so creative. I mean, you can be creative with contour and everything else, but eyeshadow is like, to me, it's like, it's so full of different colors and stuff like that. But anyway, y'all, I think I really love this. It has math on here, and I love math. Like, math was my favorite subject in school, and I love algebra, math, trig, whatever. I love math. So exciting. Okay, it's time to just open it. Whatever. It's called the matte book. Like matte. You know what I'm saying? It's called the matte book. Oh my gosh. I don't even look at it's the details for me, baby. Look at this. Even though the line's supposed to go. No, it ain't the point. It's the thought that counts. It's the thought. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Bruh, this is so pretty. Y'all, this is so pretty. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all tomorrow if all this was worth the wait, but I'm gonna just try out one color. Let's see. I don't want to try blue. Blue my favorite color, but I ain't gonna try it out. I do this pink fuchsia color, fuchsia. Okay. Let's put it right here. Okay, so I'm not gonna sit here and say it's not pigment, but touching it, like, like, it looks pigment. Okay, like, I don't know, like, I think that's pretty good. I mean, like I said, we'll know all this tomorrow. Like, it looks pretty good, but we'll see all this stuff tomorrow. I ain't gonna knock it yet. But your girl is feeling this. Now I gotta wash my arm. Oh my gosh. Don't do it on my new case. I'd be so mad if I mess up my case. I'm like, bruh. But anyway, let me wipe this stuff off. Yeah, I just got a shower, so don't even sit here and try to talk about me, which I don't know. Okay. So y'all, I'm so ready to use this. Like, we finna go ahead and just wrap up this video, but y'all, the packaging is beautiful. Let me go ahead and get a thumbnail. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Like, I am so excited. So please be on the lookout for the next video. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do it. Hopefully tomorrow, but I ain't got time to say I'm gonna do it tomorrow and don't do it tomorrow. But just be on the lookout for that video. So this is gonna be dope, y'all. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe down below to become a true baby, because in this game we don't do no lies. So anyway, bye.